Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. So it looks like the CPI data has dropped and the CPI data is not looking good. We're seeing the markets going down. We're seeing everything tankety tank. Exactly as I predicted. Brace for impact, guys. So we could be seeing that we could see a further bloodshed of Bitcoin going down, minus 5%. We see all the crypto market going down, down. So brace for impact, guys. Absolutely brace for impact. I'm at the beach, guys. So let's get into the content without any further delay. I just want to say, don't forget to go down there, smash the like, show some love, boop the likes, and subscribe and show some love with super chats, guys. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in the house expressing his opinion. Woo, let's get it, guys. So look where I am, guys. I'm at the beach. It's absolutely just packed at the beach here right now. It is super crowded, unbelievable. Wow, woo, wow. Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive, and the inflation, the CPI data is in, so let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it. Exactly as I predicted in the intro, guys. It looks like the CPI data is not coming in as expected. It's down, down. We're seeing that the Dow futures, the pre-markets are all dumping, guys, right now like crazy, and most likely when the U.S. markets open, we're also going to see that the U.S. markets, the stocks are going to dump. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just OG in the house expressing his opinions, guys. So let's get into it. Inflation has risen to 8.6% in May, the highest since 1981, guys. Wow, this is a huge Debbie Downer. And we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin price and everything, guys, but it's not looking pretty good. We're seeing that the consumer price surge again. CPI shows and pushes U.S. inflation rate to 8.6. And we're seeing right now that higher rents, gas, and food prices kept inflation rate at a 40-year high. And I know a lot of you are feeling it right now at the pumps, at the rent, at the supermarkets. So the numbers, the cost of living has jumped 1% in May on the backs of higher rents, gas, food prices. Oh yeah, the gas prices are insane. $8 in the UK for a gallon of gas. Can you believe it? And food prices keeping the rate of the U.S. inflation at a 40-year high. What is actually going on out there? The increase in consumer price index in May was more than triple the gain in the prior month. Economists polled that the Wall Street Journal had forecasted 0.7 advance. The increase in inflation over the past year has moved up to 8.6% from 8.3%. A new cycle high, guys. A new cycle high. The last time inflation rose this rapidly was in 1981, guys. Wow, woo. The so-called core inflation rate, which omits food and energy, rose by 0.6%. A tick higher than expected, guys. So that is not good. This increase in the core rate, over the past year slowed from 6 to 6.2%. But the Federal Reserve is definitely going to be stepping in. I think we're going to be seeing some hikes out there, guys, from that perspective. So it's not looking good. Let's take a look at the itty bitty baby now. So itty bitty baby, it's down right now. It did go as low as 29.5. It's come back a little bit, and right now we're seeing that is at 29.697. So we have to be careful. The markets are going to be opening probably when you're watching this, so we could be seeing a little bit of a tank. But from my expectation, it's not as bad as I expected. I expected that once the CPI data comes out, we could be expecting a huge dumpity dump in the house, guys. So it wasn't as bad. But only time will tell, guys. Only time will tell. So let's jump into the on-chain data right now. So before that, as you guys know, that inflation reached 8.6, and not good, guys. Not good at all, guys and gals. So we're seeing right now the daily on-chain flow out there. We saw about 98.85 million Bitcoin flow off exchange. So that is pretty good, guys. Still pretty bullish out there. So that is not looking too bad. But we're seeing that a lot of people are sellers of Ethereum right now and moving Ethereum onto exchanges. So what can we say? And we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is dropping. It's at 29.686 at the time of recording. And now it could be much worse when you're watching this video, guys. So buckle up, buckle the up, guys. And we're seeing that the the fear and greed is at 13, guys, and it was at 11 yesterday. So the price follows sentiment, but definitely tomorrow when we wake up, we're definitely going to be seeing that the fear and greed could be back down to 11 out there. So this is also just coming just in. Crypto Whale Secret Witch buys 600 million in these tokens, guys. So looks like we have another whale out there that has just buying up like crazy. So the global crypto market, get your words right. The global crypto market capitalization took a hit of around 2% over the last day and now stands at 1.23 trillion. However, a crypto whale has grabbed this opportunity to add another 600 million of multiple tokens, guys. So according to Whale Stats, a BNB whale named Scarlet, which bought about 10 million Avalanche tokens worth 242.5 million in a single transaction. This is the biggest transaction recorded by the tracker in 24 hours. So they bought up a whole ton of Avalanche. So that is pretty good. They also bought up a whole bunch of Matic tokens as well. And so that is pretty good. So people are still buying, but you can see here that the third largest Bitcoin whale has sold a whole bunch of Bitcoin, and they sold at 30.125. So I have a feeling that they're going to be buying back in like crazy, guys. So let's keep an eye on that. I think they'll be buying in like a madman. So it looks like Ethereum is keeping back above $1,800 yesterday, but it's been pushed down right now. And we're seeing that Ethereum right now is trading at around about 1730. So it's going down because of the inflation scare out there. But I still believe that Ethereum is going to be coming back, and we're going to get a huge reversal coming in soon, guys. So keep an eye on Ethereum. We got the testnet, the merge has been completed. So we're getting closer and closer to Ethereum 2.0. So keep going, guys. Don't give up on Ethereum. I think Ethereum is going to be huge, huge, huge. So it looks like SEC is expanding its probe into Terraform Labs right now. And right now it looks like the SEC reportedly investigating whether Terra Labs violated federal investigative prosecution regulations with its UST marketing, guys. So it looks like the SEC is reportedly probing Terraform Labs over suspicious violating investor protection laws. Specifically, the agency is interested in how the firm marked its now crumpled UST stablecoin to U.S. customers. The news comes today after the U.S. Court appeals ordered Dogecoin and his company to comply with SEC investigations. So, Dogecoin is just not having a good day. It looks like, $80 million worth of Bitcoin has disappeared. Looks like, we had 80 Bitcoin also disappear. Looks like the South Korean authorities won Dogecoin, and I think Dogecoin is definitely going to be in a lot of trouble soon, guys, over a lot of stuff that's going on out there. So from that perspective, we're seeing that the current correction phase seems almost over, and we could be seeing a bullish rise. And this is pretty similar to the 2019 fractal. And every time we see Bitcoin hit these bottoms, they always bounce up, and we're going to see a pretty bounce soon. So what do you guys think? Smash the likes, subscribe. Are we going to see a bouncy bounce coming in soon for itty bitty baby, guys? I'd love to hear what you guys got to think. Also, this is coming in right now. 9.9% of all Bitcoin circulating supply is held on centralized exchanges. This is the lowest since 2018. So this just goes to show that the hodlers, more Bitcoin is being hodled like never ever before out there, guys. So that is huge. That's absolutely huge news. And the absolute conviction of the Bitcoin hodlers, crypto hodlers, has been so strong this year, and we're seeing that this is undeniably one of the things and one of the reasons why we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is still above $29,000, even though we had this huge inflation news, this huge negative inflation news. We're still seeing that Bitcoin is holding strong. But definitely the market's going to be tank. If you take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now, OMG, the Bitcoin weekly candle has just turned red. That is a Debbie Downer. We have 2 days and 12 hours to get back up guys, and hopefully this will not continue to be a red week, but it's not looking pretty good with this inflation data. So that is not looking pretty good at all. We're seeing that also the dominance is going up. It's at 47.39. We're seeing that the DXY OMG is 104 OMG, and this is not a good thing for Bitcoin. As this continues to go uppity up, we're going to see more pressure, more selling pressure on Bitcoin, and it's going to definitely be sending the whole crypto market down, down. So that is not good in the house, guys. So that is not looking good at all. SEC will approve Bitcoin ETF soon, says Grayscale and Bitwise. Yeah, I definitely think that by September at the latest, we're going to see a spot ETF coming pretty soon, and that is going to be a good catalyst for Bitcoin. But things are not looking pretty good right now. Things are looking kind of danger. Depending on how the New York market's open, we could be seeing a huge tank out there, guys. So also the SPX S&P 500 is also going down, guys. So that's also not looking pretty good in the house as well. So let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house and let you get out of here. So right now, if we take a look at the liquidations, we're seeing that about $172.52 million worth of leverage apes have been wrecked. That's about 64,000 traders. And right now on the hourly time frame, we're seeing that in the last hour, we're seeing a whole bunch of longs. So this is not going to help the Bitcoin price. We're going to see the Bitcoin price go down, down. So that is not looking good. Let's take a look at the ADA right now. So ADA is also collapsing as well. It's broken down below our 61-cent support level, and our next stop for ADA is about 55 cents. So it's not also looking good for ADA in the house. So let's take a look at the Dogecoin. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing that Dogecoin right now has dropped significantly, and we're seeing that Dogecoin right now has basically dropped almost, it's gone down 3.15% right now. So that's not looking pretty good, and it's at 7.6, guys. So we could be seeing ourselves going down to 7 cents for the Dozier Wozier in the house, guys. So just be careful, watch out for that. So get ready, guys. Let's take a look at total market cap. Total market cap has dropped dramatically. It was at 1.25 earlier, it's at now at 1.23. We're seeing the volumes are pretty light though, and the Bitcoin dominance is also uppity up, guys. So that's not looking pretty good. So we're seeing right now that BTC is down 1.22%. We're seeing that Ethereum is also down 3%. We're seeing that BNB is neutral right now. We're seeing ADA is at down 5.9% at 60 cents in the house. We're seeing that Solana is down as well, 4.26% at $38. We're seeing that Doge is getting hammered right now. Hammer time for the Doge and Dotty Watt. So we're seeing that most of cryptos are turning red right now. So that is not good. Absolutely not good, guys. So with that being said, please go and follow me on my Twitter. We've got around 4,509. Follow, boop the likes, smash the likes, subscribe like crazy, guys, and show some love. And don't forget to go down and check out the linky links, guys. Buy the channel a coffee, and don't forget to buy the channel. Don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Buy some merch, gear up the OG gear. So I just want to say I love you guys. It's not a great day to be alive right now. We're seeing that the markets are going down, and who knows how low Bitcoin can go. But so far it's not too bad. It's not like a 5% slaughter I expected, but we don't know right now. We have to keep an eye on things. So guys and gals, God bless you. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe. Super chats will be welcome. Peace out.